Yes, it's my turn now. I'll choose truth. Oh, okay, Gattu. Then tell me, is there anything, any truth that you've hid from me? What? Yes, come on, tell me quickly. It seems I've gotten myself into trouble with this truth or dare game. Well, actually, Chinky, do you remember 3 days ago someone dropped mom's makeup box and mom scolded you for it? Yes, I remember, even though I did not do anything. So did you? Yes, Chinky. I am the one who dropped the box. Sorry. What? I won't let you off the hook, Gattu. I got scolded so much because of you. Chinky, we'll fight later, okay? I am going to deal with you later, Gattu.
Chinky calms down for now. And then Gattu spins the bottle.
Now tell Bunty, what will you choose?
I am not afraid of anything, understood?
I'll choose dare.
Hari quickly says after thinking for a moment.
Yes, Monty, why don't you act like a donkey? What?
A donkey?
Yes, this is perfect. Come on, Monty, show us. You choose dare, you have to do it. Okay.
Monty stands on all his 4 legs like a donkey and starts acting like one. Seeing this, all the children burst into mad laughter.
Monty, you are doing this so well. Very good.
Huh?
Okay, enough.
It's done.
Let's spin the bottle again.
Monty spins the bottle. And then it's Bunty's turn.
I'll choose truth. Bunty, tell us about your most embarrassing incident that happened in public. Something that nobody knows about.
Bunty thinks for a moment and then answers.
Yes. Once I went to a departmental store with my mom. There was a big candy tower and I accidentally pulled out a candy from the bottom and all the candies fell. Everyone started staring at me and then we got scolded by the store owner. But after I said sorry, he forgave me and even gave me a candy. Wow, so you actually benefited from it. And you got a candy too. Let's spin the bottle again.
Bunty spins the bottle. And it's Chinky's turn.
I'll choose dare only. Wow, so Chinky, I'll give you a dare to act like Mummy when she gets really angry. What? Mummy when she's angry? That's very easy. I'll show you right now. Gattu, you have scattered all your toys again and you haven't done your homework either. Sorry, Mummy. It won't happen again. You say that every time. This time I'm not going to spare you.
All the children were laughing heartily watching Chinky's acting. But Chinky and Gattu didn't know that their mother was watching them from behind.
What's all this going on? Whose acting are you doing, Chinky? Me? I was just... You were acting like me, aren't you? And all of you were laughing watching her.
You are right, auntie, but I didn't laugh at all. In fact, I was about to come and tell you.
Now everyone will get a punishment.
Hearing this, all the children become completely silent and scared. Suddenly, seeing everyone so frightened,
Why were you all so scared? Now tell me, who did the best acting?
Oh, Mummy. So you were just joking. We were really scared.
everyone laughs together.
Come on. Stop this game for now and everyone eat snacks I am bringing. I have made cheese nuggets.
Yay!